Hey guys, welcome to week 5 of the LET Pokemon Draft League. I'm Upgraded Rotom. This week we're facing off against our opponent, the Ontario Okitogis. First up here we got our Terra Captain Virizion, and Virizion is rocking a EV spread of max attack, 16 special defense, and 240 speed with the Jolly Nature, the moves Sacred Sword, Trailblaze, Leaf Blade, and Terra Blast, and the Assault Vest as its item, with the Terra Steel type. This EV spread will allow us to outspeed stuff like Munkidori and anything slower than it, while also allowing us to set up a Trailblaze in order to outspeed stuff like Dugtrio and Iron Valiant if it does not boost our energy speed. Sacred Sword is here in order to combat the Archaludon's stamina ability while it sets up its defenses. Then Sacred Sword ignores all of that while also hitting super effectively. The Assault Vest is here also for Archaludon, that way we can take any of its special attacks better. And Terra Blast, Terra Steel is here to stop any potential poison-type moves from Munkidori or Skuntank, and it allows us to be resistant to hurricanes from Pelipper, and hit Iron Valiant super effectively. Next up, we've got Latios, and Latios is rocking an EV spread of 92 HP, 172 special attack, and 244 speed with the Timid Nature, Draco Meteor, Thunderbolt, Flip Turn, and Luster Purge with the Colbur Berry as its item. This set is also going to allow us to outspeed anything slower than Munkidori. Thunderbolt hits hard into my opponent's team. Colbur Berry will set up the opportunity for us to take some Dark-type moves and hit hard with any of our moves, or even get a potential flip turn out onto something like the Dugtrio. Up next is Scizor, and Scizor is rocking a EV spread of 184 HP, 128 defense, and 196 special defense with the Careful Nature, and the moves Bullet Punch, Knockoff, U-Turn, and Quick Attack with the item Rocky Helmet and the ability Technician. This set is designed to combat Barraskewda, where we can use our Rocky Helmet to get some chip damage on it, and then Quick Attack can be the priority that we use. This also works against the Iron Valiant if it's a physical set, as Bullet Punch is going to be able to do some nice and nifty damage to it. Knockoff's always great. We can remove some stuff like a potential Heavy Duty Boots on Frostmoth, or leftovers on a Belly Bolt. And U-Turn is going to do U-Turn things and offer us the ability to pivot. Then after Scizor, we've got Terrapagos here. Terrapagos is rocking the EV spread of max special attack, 4 special defense, and max speed with the Timid Nature, and the moves Terra Starstorm, Dark Pulse, Earth Power, and Thunder, with the choice specs being its chosen item. Terrapagos here is to be able to do some good late game damage. Terra Starstorm does a lot of damage to anything that's going to be facing us, besides a Assault Vest Archaludon. And in that case, we have stuff like Earth Power to be able to combat it. I do think it's very likely that they're going to be going for a Terra Ghost Archaludon this week, so I brought Dark Pulse just in case. That way we have something to hit super effectively with it still. And Thunder is going to be there to be able to be used in their reign while doing some super effective damage to stuff like their Pelipper, their Barraskewda, and with that 30% chance of paralysis, it could always come in handy if we ever get our chance to use it. Next in the lineup, we've got our Tinkaton, and Tinkaton is rocking an EV spread of 164 HP, 152 defense, and 188 special defense, with the Bold Nature, the moves Thunder Wave, Stealth Rock, Knockoff, and Encore, with the Moranga Berry, and the ability Pickpocket. This is going to be our pretty much designated lead. Thunder Wave is good to be able to slow any of my opponent's Pokemon down and get the potential paralysis chances off. Stealth Rock is going to be nice to be able to get some chip onto any of my opponent's Pokemon and potentially break any sashes they might be bringing. And Knockoff will be able to be in tandem with that and help knock off any heavy-duty boots that something like the Frostmoth might be running. And Encore is here to be able to trap any Pokemon into a specific move, like if the Frostmoth goes for a Quiver Dance or trap it into a Defog. Maybe even trap a Belly Bolt into a Toxic, stuff like that. The Moranga Berry will allow us to take any special attack. I'm anticipating that they're going to lead with Pelipper, possibly go for a Surf, and once we use that, that's going to boost our special defense by 1 stage, allowing us to take another potential special attack. And the Pickpocket ability will allow us to steal an item off of like a Barraskewda if we switch in on that properly, and hopefully that can help remove the items from my opponent's Pokemon a little easier. Last but not least, we got our Tentacruel here, and Tentacruel's going to try and take advantage of their rain with the EV spread of max HP, 128 defense, and 128 special defense, and the Calm Nature with the moves Surf, Flip Turn, Toxic, and Rapid Spin with the ability Rain Dish and the Black Sludge. Rain Dish and Black Sludge work in tandem in order to be able to give us some really good recovery in the rain. Rapid Spin is going to be able to get rid of any hazards that their Pokemon like Dugtrio or even Archaludon might set up. Toxic is very handy in order to put some poison onto a potential Terra something Archaludon and make that thing die over time. And including the Belly Bolt, where that way it can't just stay in forever and heal up. And that's going to be the team for this week. Honestly, this was one of the hardest teams I've had to prep for in a while. They just have really good synergy for their rain team, and Archaludon being able to Terra makes it an extra challenge to be able to prep for this team. I believe we've built a team that can take on this challenge, and hopefully we can break their win streak. I will see you guys in the battle. Alright. This team's really scary. They got a rain team, and honestly, I'm a little nervous about that. I'm honestly just hoping that they didn't bring Sinistcha, because that's like the one Pokemon that I didn't prep for. Cool, we have found them. Let's see what they've brought. Please no Sinistcha. Okay, cool. They didn't bring the Sinistcha, which is really nice. The good news is they also don't have any hazard removal, so once we get hazards up, we're good to keep them. I think in this scenario, it wouldn't be bad to just lead... What's their face? Why am I blinking on it? Lead Latios? That way we can flip turn out of there if need be. And we can survive any, like, knockoff or any stuff like that. Sucker Punch from a Dugtrio, if that's the case. Yeah, let's go for it. Yeah, no, this rain team has me worried, but I think we got what it takes to pull it through in the end. I'll be real, I am a little surprised that no, like, Belly Bolts or Frostmoth, because those hard wall my team a lot. But it is good to know that they didn't bring it. I am expecting them to be a Terra to combat our Virizion, so something like maybe Terra Ghost, Bug, or Flying. Ooh, I love their player model! Okay, cool. They do lead the Dugtrio. And I'm just going to go ahead and break a Sash if they have it by flip turning out. Because they're probably either Sucker Punching, or they are going to... Oh wait, I totally forgot about this. Look, I got a little health bar now. Woo, isn't that fancy? But yeah, they're probably going to Sucker Punch, or they're just going to go ahead and set up their own rocks. And in that case, I think I want to just switch out into Virizion. Nice, nice. Or do I want to switch into Virizion? Would that actually be the play? Or should I go something else? That thing's going to be faster. Earthquake's going to be super effective against this. Monkey Dory? Is Monkey Dory... I mean, it could take a Terra Blast. And I don't want to reveal Terra just yet. Yeah, let's go into Virizion. And we will go for a Trailblaze. That way too, we're faster than the Iron Valiant if it's speed. They do just go Monkey Dory, okay. Now, oh, this thing is Frisk, okay. I thought it would be Toxic Chain. So he knows I'm Assault Vest now. And they're probably going to go knockoff. I can probably... Yeah, I can go for Tinkaton here. Side shot. Ooh, that's good to counter the Assault Vest. Or I guess would that affect Assault Vest? I don't know. I don't know how that works because I know Side Shock hits on the physically defensive side. Okay. I think it'd be better to go ahead and set up rocks. Because if they do end up going for Dugtrio again, we do have counters for that. And what's its face? And it wouldn't be able, the Dugtrio would take the Thunder Wave. They go Pelipper, cool. So we get the rocks up. And they might U-turn, so I'm just gonna go for a knock. I don't think this thing gets, what's it called? I don't think this thing gets logged, so we should be fine on that. And then we're just gonna Thunder Wave. Cool, cool. And I don't think we want to go Midnight just yet. What's it called? We could. I'm thinking maybe Latios and get some. Ooh, but if they. Because I can't really do much damage to this guy now. Okay. They're going for Weather Ball. I can Encore them into Weather Ball and then switch into Virizion. I'm curious, if they switch out, they might be just going Monkey Dory or Dugtrio. If they go Barraskewda, we will be switching into, what's their face? Scizor? They do end up switching out. Question is, into what? Into Monkey Dory. Okay, they do predict this correctly. And so with the Psyshock, actually, how much is Terra Blast doing? Terra Steel. It's doing about half health. I think I'd rather get some chip on this first. Do I need... I don't think I need Creati anymore, or Tinkaton. It's set up the rocks. I mean, it could be nice for knockoff shenanigans, but I just don't want to deal with like knockoff stuff. They go for a Shadow Ball. Okay. Good middle play for them. Now. Wait, why am I doing that? I don't want to switch. They know I have to go for a knockoff if I'm doing any type of move. They could just totally be going into Pelipper again. They just go for a Shadow Ball. This thing might be Choice Scarf then. I'm gonna check that. This thing is actually, that thing's faster than Tinkaton naturally. Okay. But without them doing too much when it comes to the... With them doing Shadow Ball over and over, I think that they might be Scarf. We could be good to send out Deku here and get some damage going. Yeah, why not? I think if they're locked into Scarf, then cool. We can get some massive damage on something with the Terra Star Storm. Ugh, this team has me nervous. Yeah, they're probably Choice Scarf. They might just sack Doug Trio here. Oh, they just go straight into Archaludon. Okay. If this is not Assault Vest, this should be doing about 40%. That's not Assault Vest. Okay. The rain also stops, so that's pretty good for us. And the question becomes, is this going to be Terra Ghost, or what Terra type is it? I don't think this thing would go for a... Does this thing get Earth Power or anything like that? I didn't check. Where is Terrapagos? Terrapagos is here. And Archaludon. Rain Sweeper, let's say. How much time do I have? I have 17 seconds. Okay. Okay. So this thing doesn't have great... Okay, we're gonna go into Virizion. If this thing is Terra Flying, good on them. Oh, okay. They bait. They bait. Monkey Dory again. Into Pelipper. Okay. I see what you're working with. Can I take this thing out? With a Leaf Blade. I'd be doing 30% max, really? And this thing's at like 70 something? No, let's say 60. Leaf Blade has a 7% chance to 2-hit KO. Okay. We're gonna go Midnight. Or not Midnight, Sun Eater. Ooh, okay, they probably are gonna get the What's their face? Doug Trio in, and I don't think we outspeed that, unfortunately. Yeah. So, if we don't outspeed it, then dang. If we do, then I'm gonna be really confused, but we can't switch out, so. Let's see if we can live. No, we cannot. Then, yeah, then we gotta go Midnight again. I think this time I'm just gonna go for a Leaf Blade, because if they go Monkey Dory, then that gives me the best amount of damage onto that. Right? Yeah, because this thing has a higher crit chance. And then, what's Monkey Dory gonna be at that point? Like a little under half? Oh. That's like about, what is it? A little over 25%. About 30-ish. Let's say 32. If I Terra here, that's gonna kill. They could be going knockoff, which would be unfortunate. They do just shot stop. Cool. And I did just realize that after this, they can totally just go Doug Trio. And I don't really have a switch out to that. So maybe it would have been better to Trailblaze and then do that. Yeah, okay. I made a mistake there. Okay. Shoot. They will have to go Scizor here. Because that thing's going to be able to hit our... what's it called? They're going to be able to sucker punch us with the Latios if we try to do that. They do just go for the Earthquake. Ooh, that does a lot. This guy is strong. And then we should be pretty good to go Latios. We wouldn't outspeed, so we wouldn't outspeed Iron Valiant if it's a speed set, so I think we have to go Terrapagos here. We should be faster than Archaludon, so if they go that, then we should be good. Pelipper will be able to kill. Oh! They go for Barraskewda. Interesting. Oh, they're trying to break my... what's it called? They're gonna try and break my thing with that. We're not gonna be able to take a hit from this with Red Riot anymore. Iron Valiant can't Terra. I need this for what exactly? Yeah, I need this alive. So I gotta go. Ooh, who do I go? Do I go Latios? I don't know if this is the right play, but it's what I'm gonna make an attempt for. Because if they close combat, then that'll be good for that. Okay. Flip turn is a little annoying. Could have totally just Terra Starstorm there. They're going Iron Valiant now. Okay. It is booster speed. Yeah. So I might have to just let this guy take me out and hope for a potential sweep from Terapagos, because if I can bullet punch this, then I should be good. Okay. I do unfortunately have to go Red Riot. They could go ahead and go into... what is it called? They could go into either Barraskewda or Archaludon. Archaludon might be their better play. I'm not going to outspeed with... Ugh, this is really rough. It's basically, do I click the U-turn or do I bullet punch here? Do I think there's switching to Archaludon or Barraskewda? Their safer bet is Archaludon, so I might just U-turn here. Ooh, we'll find out. Oh, no. Okay. That's rough. That is really rough. Ooh. I should have bullet punched. I really should have bullet punched. Yeah, that I think that cost me the game. Yeah, that totally cost me the game. Is there any way I can recover this? Not really. Because Barraskewda is going to come in and that's going to be able to just wipe the floor with me. Especially if that thing has close combat, which I would not be surprised if it did. They go Archaludon. If this thing is Terra Ghost, like I was thinking, then it should be able to live this. Oh, it's faster. Okay, noted. So I think we were on the speed tie there, unless this thing is Choice Scarf. I don't know if that crit mattered. And then this basically seals the deal. I'm gonna be genuinely surprised if I can pull this out somehow. Pull this off somehow, but I'm still pretty sure this Barraskewda just wipes the rest of me. His quick attack ain't gonna be doing enough. Yeah. Well, hey, you know what? I am at least glad that it wasn't a 6-0. Because I was genuinely terrified of that happening. Ooh. Yeah, man, you had a really scary team to prep for. Well, that's going to be the game. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you for the fun match, and I will see you guys in the next video. I did the outro a little early. In the next video. Peace.